Yes, now is the time, man. Y'all know I like to put y'all on game whenever the markets of shoes get to the right point, and I think it is the perfect time to buy right now, because if you don't, you're gonna be coming out of pocket a lot more, y'all. Let's talk about it. Y'all thought I was going to leave. Man, I can't leave y'all out, man. What's going on with y'all today? It's your boy Jay back for yet another video, man. Told y'all I got to give y'all this consistent content, man. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up for your boy, man. And hype this video up so we can get out there, man. Today is just simply a conversation video. I do want to chop it up with you guys about just some current events and some things that I think you guys should jump on now. Pause, hold the pause. Yo. But yes, few things I want to talk about. Of course, Jordan 5s that recently released. I do want to talk about an upcoming shoe, and I do want to talk about some upcoming releases as soon as tomorrow, y'all. So all that will be going on here in this video. Weekend is here. Like I said, man, if y'all are chilling out, y'all are off for the weekend, let me know what you got planned, all that good stuff. I want to hear from y'all down below in the comment section. I will be getting back to my comments like this weekend. So all my videos that I haven't responded back to comments, just know I will be getting back to you guys this weekend. And as always, I appreciate y'all. Speaking of appreciation, if you are a new viewer or a returning viewer and you haven't made it official by becoming a member of the family and hitting that little subscribe button down below, man, take the time out to do that real quick and leave a quick comment down below so I can acknowledge you, man. I ain't gonna know that you subscribe to the channel unless you let me know, man. So leave a quick comment down below, whether you say, yo, I'm new, or yo, I've been watching and I just hit the subscribe button. Whatever the case may be, let me know down below and I will respond back to your comment, man. I'm gonna try to. 95% sure that I will get back to it, but yes, do that for your boy Jay. Double salute to the OGs. Got to get all that out the way. A lot of things coming here soon in the near future for the channel / channels. I did tell you guys throughout the last few months I am working on a new channel. I want to say it is scheduled to be launched on April the 1st, man. So that's the date that I'm heading for, as well as there will be a monthly giveaway from 2026 April all the way up until 2027 of April, man. So make sure you guys watch the full video for the details on how you can win a free shoe, absolutely free, 100% free, no caveat, each and every month all the way up until April of 2027, man. So yeah, man, a lot of things going on. Like I said, hey, just hit the thumbs up for that, bro. Your boy Jay is turning this into the official Get Back channel, man. I owe y'all a lot because y'all been supporting the kid, and yeah, man, that's how I gotta do it for y'all. But before we get into today's video, man, summer and spring is pretty much here. Yeah, spring is pretty much here. It is still cold outside in certain areas, hence the why I got on the tech fleece, man. Your boy Jay had to pop outside today in a tech fleece because the weather, it is get you sick weather. That's all I can say about it. Like, it was like 80 degrees yesterday. I want to say it was like 50 something degrees today. Like, it's just up and down, you know what I'm saying? But outside of all the weather talk, you know, I do want to let you guys know about Sole Premises bags that you guys can get right now, as I always tell y'all, for almost half off over on their website. Simply by clicking the link down below, all it does is it automatically applies the discount, so you do not have to worry about any codes or anything. But if you guys go straight to the website, you do have to put in a promo code of J. But trust me, those bags, A1. A lot of people go to the stores and they see them for themselves and they buy them straight out the stores. You guys don't even have to worry about buying them straight out the store because I'm giving you guys that half off almost discount with that link. They're paying full price in stores. They just let you know how good they are, man. People are going in stores, and some of my local stores sold out of those bags, you know what I'm saying? So hey, if you guys want to try it out, they have daily commuters, they have duffel bags, they have a bag for your liking. They have like bags that are as small as just little fanny packs, and then they do have bags as big as luggage bags, man. So trust me, take advantage over there. The NFL players of last year have been killing them. I've seen them a lot throughout the NFL league. I've seen them a lot throughout the NBA. So hey, check it out for yourself so you can know what your boy Jay has been talking about over the last few years. But salute to all those people who have been hitting me up and letting me know about your new bag, and y'all been sending me fire emojis and all that. I told you, bruh, I told you. But very simple, just click the link down below, add it to your cart, and you will see the price go down, man. So check out Sole Premise. Outside of that talk, y'all, today the Kobe's dropped. Was it the Kobe 3s? I want to say the Kobe 3s dropped, and they're sitting at a lot of places they're sold at. I want to say more so on the West Coast, they sold out, but where I'm at on the East Coast, bruh, them joints is sitting, man. We actually might see a few of those sitting around tomorrow when we go outside and do a little vlog. But yes, speaking of tomorrow, tomorrow is a semi-big day, y'all. We do got the release of the Jordan 13 Cherries, man. So the Cherries are officially back, man. Originally released in 1998. Whoa, how long was that? That was 26 years, if my math is right. 26 years ago, I think I'm right, y'all. But that was about 26. No, it was more than 26. 28. Let's go with 28. That's my final answer. And I'm just freestyling off the head. I'm gonna say 28 years ago.
Nope.
Yeah, that's a long time, man. But first time we seen those, and they are officially back, and they look clean, y'all. I didn't get to get y'all the movie of those as promised, but stay tuned. I want to say on Sunday I will roll out the movie for that shoe, because tomorrow y'all know we outside vlogging them to see if they sit or if they sell. My prediction is they'll be available, man. But y'all comment down below if you guys watch this after the release. Let me know if they are sitting or if they are sold out. Don't hit me up and say that they went in seconds on the sneakers app, because that is predicted. Nobody wants to go outside anymore. They want to click a button and have them delivered to their crib. So that is the #1 spot that will sell out first, sneakers app. So I don't care about the sneakers app. I want to know how they look in your area. Are they on them shelves, or are they nowhere to be found, y'all? And I think they will be on shelves, but we'll just have to see what happens with that tomorrow. But on the note of tomorrow, y'all, we do have the release of the Teyana Taylor Jordan 3s, man. Now, I'm so just curious to know how that release do. #1, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, y'all, I don't think that that's the best of looking shoe. And that's no knock on her. It is a creative shoe. Of course, it is the rose from concrete, I want to say. So it does have the vines and all that stuff coming out from the concrete base looking mid. So it's creative, you know what I'm saying? But for me personally, I'm like, And then the retail, y'all. The retail is $280, man. Like, it's just, it's meh. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I will be going after a pair. If I get hit for retail, yes, I will get it for retail. Show you guys them, do some content with it. But if I wasn't a content creator, I don't know if that would be on my list of shoes to go after, man. Nope. It would have to be just the hype beast in me going after them, because I know that they're limited, they're a collab to say. That would be the only reason that I'm going after them. But from a $250 collab price to $280, damn, that's a big price increase. And y'all, this is going to set the standard in the future, bro. If these shoes sell out, best believe it's gonna be a lot more $280 shoes coming up in the future. I'm telling y'all right now, this is just gonna open up Pandora's box if these do sell out at $280. Like, if they sell out like that, just know, yeah, Nike said, oh, they buying them at $280. Let's go ahead and start pushing them at $280. Retro 11s, $260. Like, hey, don't say I ain't told y'all. But that is going down tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern time. I will be trying to get my hands on a pair. I will let y'all know during the vlog if I do cop or not, but we'll see what happens with that. But outside of that, I do want to briefly talk about next week's release, y'all. Dang, the Jordan 14 University Blues, y'all. Now, these are set to be released next week, and I just want to briefly talk about these, y'all. These are not any slouch, bro. This shoe, I guarantee you, will sell out. I guarantee you. Your boy Jay, I'm telling y'all, these don't get up out of there, man. So if you guys wanted to get your hands on a pair, I would put in the raffles. I would do the footwork for these, because regardless of what people say about them, oh, they ashy, bro. I'm passing, man. Them things look, they killed them, bro. Like yeah, they gone, bro. I'm telling you, don't listen to it, bro. So if you want them, put in the footwork, because these will not last around, y'all. I want to say that these will be in a full family size run, and these gonna sell out, man. But yeah, just briefly wanted to speak on that. Now, before I get into the main topic of the video, I do want to talk about tomorrow's release again, y'all. These green sparks, y'all. Does anyone know if these are officially releasing? I know I'm supposed to be the one giving y'all that news, but I haven't heard anything about the green sparks. Wanted to get an update on these, and to see if anyone out there has heard anything, y'all, because it's sure been quiet on my end. And these are scheduled to be releasing tomorrow, March 14th. But y'all let me know, have y'all heard anything about those? But let me go ahead and show you guys a shoe that just came in, and then I will talk about a pair of shoes that you might want to buy now, because the price is only going to go up from where it's at. This slicker reach back, I think it's slicker reach back. Bang! So yes sir, man. Package did come in for your boy. Do I got a box cutter anywhere? I do. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I know y'all can hear me. Y'all probably can't see me though. But let me grab my box cutter and let me get into this box. But yes, I'm back. Anyways, this shoe right here was a reach back. I seen these quite a few times and I said, yeah, let me go ahead and get my hands on a pair, man, before price goes up even more than what it already is. But this is a New Balance pickup, y'all. Y'all know I got quite a few New Balances, man. If y'all been watching the channel, y'all have seen them. I don't do too much on-feet content when it comes to the New Balances, but I do own quite a few New Balances, man. Y'all would see that, or y'all did see that when y'all watch my collection videos. But this one, as you can see from the packaging when I open it, y'all, this one came from GOAT. I bought this pair from GOAT, and it is a white box. And that white box is a New Balance box, as I said, right? So on the side of it, though, jound, or should I say jound. So you got the quadruple J and then ound there, but it is pronounced jound, of course. The Jound New Balance, y'all. This is the 2002R. I wonder if it says it on the, yes it does. It says Jound X MB 2002R Gore-Tex, y'all. So that is the size tag side right there. Size mine on it, y'all. It is a Gore-Tex, man. So Gore-Tex is a material that companies use that means that it's almost weatherproof, to say, like it's rain proof, water repellent, all that good stuff. So this is a Gore-Tex pair, y'all, right here. I did tell y'all it was a 2002R. When you take off the box lid, you do get the GOAT stuff, because I did get this one from GOAT, as I said, and I don't even need this no more. But you do got Jound written all throughout the paper, y'all. All throughout the paper right there, you got Jound written on it. But can we clear up? I don't know why my camera be blurry. There you go. I don't know why it be so blurry. But anyways, you got Jound written all throughout the paper. And ladies and gentlemen, I did go back and pick up the Jound New Balance 2002Rs in, I call these the shadows, bruh. Bang! So yes sir, inside the box, look y'all, the Jound New Balance 2002Rs, man. The shadow colorway, bruh. These joints go crazy, man. I've been looking at these for a little while, and I said I'm gonna finally go ahead and pull the trigger on them. They were getting a little more pricier. I thought they would go down, but as I'm gonna talk about the next shoe, you gotta buy them when the price is right, because if you don't, the price is gonna end up going up on you. So I did get them while they were at where they were at right now. But the Jound 2002Rs, y'all, got them in the collection right here, man. Bang! Take a look at them joints. Of course, you do have the extra set of laces that kind of covers up a little bit of the look of the shoe, but there you go right there, man. A nice solid looking shoe colorway, going crazy. I don't too much care for these laces, man. It got some sort of, like, I don't know, like construction type of, I don't know, man, some worker type of look laces in them, y'all. But I'm definitely gonna be swapping them out for the solid black laces. Whenever I do rock these, I'm gonna throw the solid black laces in there, y'all. But this is a clean pair of New Balance, of course. New Balance has been on they grind when it comes to having more sporty looking shoes and more casual wear looking shoes, man. And once these are unlacing, you throw them on with the right pants, you know what I'm saying, or even some black and gray New Balance socks and stuff, these do actually look pretty good, y'all. But you do have the Gore-Tex, of course, tag right there on the front, and we got the Jound tag that is tucked on the inside, but I can show y'all that one as well right there. You got the Jound tag, man. So yes, this is the collab with New Balance and Jound. These released, I want to say, was it last year? Maybe last year I think these released. If it wasn't 25, it was 24, but I want to say it was 2025. But yes, man, I did pick these up from GOAT. Y'all know whenever I pick up some shoes, add them to the collection, I like to show them to y'all. But the Jound 2002Rs, got them in the collection. We'll be swapping out the laces before I even put these on feet, but who knows, I might be putting these on very soon, man. But yes, wanted to share this unboxing with y'all. And outside of that, y'all, last but not least, we got to talk about this shoe. Whew. These, man, now it's been 2 weeks. Tomorrow will make 2 weeks since the official release of the Jordan 5 Wolf Grays, man. Is anyone out there still looking for Wolf Grays, man? Y'all comment down below. If anybody is, I do have 2 size 10.5s available. Hit me up at JTSG Closet or send me an email. It is all linked down below in the description. But JTSG Closet might be the fastest way to get to me, as I always tell y'all. But I do have 2 size 10.5s left. But the Jordan 5 Wolf Grays, y'all. Don't fall, don't fall. The Jordan 5 Wolf Grays, y'all. This shoe, I feel like right now is at its peak. When I say peak, I mean it's at its lowest price point, y'all. And I feel like over the next few months, these are gonna just right before your eyes. You're gonna look at them right now and you're gonna be like, oh, okay, okay. Then you're gonna look at them a month or 2 from now, you're gonna be like, oh, them things went up $30. Dang. They went up $50. They went up $100. That is what's gonna happen with these Jordan 5s throughout the next upcoming months. And y'all can take it or leave it. But if you guys do have an eye on them, I would say go ahead, put some coins together and get them right now while the prices are where they're at, y'all, because these are only going to go up, man. It's a retro 5, and if y'all know anything about retro 5s right now, retro 5s are not to be slept on, bruh. Retro 5 is that new hot silhouette, and people still low-key do want these. The reason why it's getting overlooked, you know, for the moment, to say they're not as hot as, you know, a shoe that probably recently released and people are just buying, is because there's so much releasing around this shoe. You got to think about it. Last week, right after these, we got the Laker 4s. People were trying to get their hands on Laker 4s. So it's like people are on to the next so much. But once we get that slow month, y'all, and people start thinking about going back and doing reach backs, y'all, I'm telling y'all, these prices are gonna be somewhere where y'all gonna be like, when did that happen, man? So just wanted to alert y'all. Anyone who wanted to get their hands on a pair, I would do it ASAP. I think right now is the time to strike on these. The prices are at their lowest. I don't see them going down any lower. I only see them going up, man. So just wanted to alert anyone who potentially wanted to get their hands on 5s. Comment down below. Is there anybody who wanted 5s who does not have them at this current moment, man? Comment down below. Let me know. Be like, yo, I wanted them. I still want them and I don't have a pair yet. Comment down below, because there's a lot of people that still want these, man. But like I said, if you do want them, I would suggest you probably jump on them ASAP, because prices will be going up on these in the next few months, y'all. But outside of that, man, just a quick discussion video to say, man, I just wanted to chop it up with y'all, you know, about current events and about the 5s and letting y'all know that y'all should go ahead and grab a pair ASAP. The price is pretty much where it needs to be. But yeah. Your boy Jay is checking out. I will be outside tomorrow. Y'all know I'm bringing y'all with me. So yeah, I will see y'all back then, Lord's willing. And yeah, y'all stay blessed. To the next one, I am gone. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all night and be safe out there, man. Peace.